Alright, so in this video, we're gonna open one blaster box, 2021 UFC trading cards, the debut edition. So I think last week they opened up their hobby boxes, and this week they had a couple blasters at Target. So we'll go into this one. Obviously, look for silver prisms and then green prism autograph parallels. So 6 cards per, or 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Now, I'm not huge into USC, but my brother was really looking forward to these. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get into the first one. This one. There might be a lot of names that I mispronounce. I used to be big into UFC in the mid 2010s and then early 2010s. So there's that guy right there. See green parallel. And we got, this is our green parallel. Again, there's a lot of names that I do not know. Not numbered. That is the green parallel. That to the side there. So that was first pack. So first, I wonder if, I don't think there's a green parallel in every pack, but there is. That'll be nice, but. So, pack number 2. Gunnar Nelson, Jose Aldo, these are pretty nice though. Johnny Walker, I know. So that was pack number 2. So it doesn't look like there's a green parallel in every box or every pack. First time I'm opening this stuff. I know my brother's opened a couple hobby packs. Now I'm not too sure on who to look for, but I think it's just a unique product to open. Dan Hooker. Gracie. Is that a silver? I think that's a silver. So it looks like this is a silver. Just like the way that refracts, whether it's, you know, basketball or these UFC cards. So 3 packs down. Kevin Holland. Oh, Khabib. Wow, that is nice. Green Fearless. Is that numbered at all? It is numbered. So it is numbered 18 out of 25. 18 out of 25 for Khabib. Wish he would have fought one more. I think he's 29-0. Wish he would have fought one more time, but hey, that is a sick card. And then Angela Hill. So I think that made the box itself. That Khabib was pretty nice. And again, the blasters retail are $20 at my Target. Obviously, the blasters resell for a lot more. I was lucky to get one this morning. Dustin Poirier. And another Fearless, Tony Ferguson. Not numbered. All right, final pack. Obviously, the Khabib has made the entire box already. But let's see if we can pull one more good one. I know my brother would love an Usman. What do we got there? Oh, another Khabib. So this looks like the Khabib box. So 2 Khabib pulls, instant impact. And I see a rookie at the very end. Let's see what this is. So this is the Khabib. I see a rookie card, the very last card, so that'll be a good one to end on. Who's it gonna be? Demir. It's pretty nice. So rookie. I wonder with UFC cards, does that mean this is the first year fighting or what exactly it means? But overall, I mean, if I have to guess, this was a great box. You had 2 Khabib inserts, one of them being numbered, the Fearless. Take a look at that one more time. That card is gorgeous. I mean, even if I don't watch UFC as much as I used to, I wouldn't mind opening one of these one more time. Let's see the numbering. 18 out of 25. Great box, great box. Thank you for tuning in. See you guys another time.